Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hi! So, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I'm joined with my friend Vanessa.
Hi!
I'll put her links down in the description. But we made the mango pizza. I went to Guimaras Island in the Philippines. It was the land of mangoes. And it had the best mangoes in the world. I couldn't find those mangoes, of course, so I got the nearest substitute one.
They look good.
The ones in the vlog had cashews. This one didn't because I didn't buy cashews. So, I wish I could come up with a better reason, but I didn't.
Yes.
Alright.
Let's try these together.
Cheers! Oh.
So hot.
Alright, mangoes and pizza are actually really good.
I love pineapple on pizza, so like mangoes and pizza is right on my alley.
I don't like pineapples on pizza because I don't like pineapples.
Oh, well.
People are so adamant about fruit on their pizza, which is crazy to me. Because if you don't like pineapples on your pizza, go ahead, don't eat it.
Try mangoes instead.
Try mangoes instead. But I think you shouldn't shame people that like mangoes or pineapples on their pizza.
No.
Yeah, exactly.
It's customizable.
And I feel like because they're like, people are like, oh no, that's not traditional. Pizza are just savory. Like, who made that rule? Who was like...
They have chocolate pizza.
Yeah. Like, who made that rule? This is the only way pizza works. Like, no one. It's kind of like a rock. A rock is just a rock until you turn it into a paperweight.
What?
Or a doorstop.
I was not expecting you to say
right?
that. I thought you were going to say something like a quote from somebody.
Or like a weapon. It literally could be anything that you want it to be. Same thing with pizza. It doesn't have to be just like traditional, because it's traditional way of doing this. It should be just like that. Because traditions are just provisionary answers we didn't challenge.
I love that. I think when a lot of people are afraid to start shy away from traditions. It's what they know, it's what they're growing up on, it's what's been passed down. But that's kind of how new traditions get made, though, is because someone challenged an old tradition and revamped it, and people like that one idea too.
Just like same-sex marriage, or like women's rights, because they were not in tradition before, it doesn't mean that they're wrong, and everyone failed to challenge it.
Right, that's true.
Same thing with pizza, or any kind of food. Just because that's how it was traditionally made, it doesn't mean it's the only way it should be done. And ranch.
I love this.
I think the cashews would have been like a great addition to it. Think of it, this one is made with different cheese. Altabaye cheese?
Altabaye?
I don't know, I just asked the cheesemonger and said like, I really want like a nice melty cheese.
It smells great.
I like this a lot better. I mean, I love the first one because
No, this one's good.
Tell me, what do you got going on?
So I'm working on eventually filming some videos. Gonna be relaunching my cookie website. Shut it down for the summer. I'm gonna pop it back up.
I'll put all the links down there.
I'm working on a cookbook too. So hopefully that'll be out in 2019, 2020.
The dough that we used from the New York Times. I wanted to make a sourdough base, but you know, I didn't have time.
It'll take forever anyways.
Yeah, this is like a while to make. But I will actually recreate this with that, like a sourdough base. But this one, it's not half bad. Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's got a nice light area to it.
I would like to say thank you for joining us. We have more pizza to eat. Also, I probably have like stuff all over my face.
I know, I was thinking about that. I was like, how much pizza do I have on my face right now?
How do people make mukbang videos? I don't get it. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll put all the links down below. I'll put Vanessa's links down below. And thank you so much for supporting the show. To my patron base, thank you. You guys are amazing. I will see you guys this week with the vlog. And I'll be recreating a recipe from that vlog the following week. Alright, as per yours, I'll see you guys. Bye.